Hello and happy Friday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day. The date is November 22nd, 2024. The tip today comes from The Medical Malpractice Trial, a book by Michael Koskoff and Sean McElligott. We argue in closing that gone are the days when we blindly trust doctors to do the right thing for our healthcare. We are entitled to know why the doctor treated the patient this way and whether it makes sense. We are entitled to be educated both as patients and as a jury. Yeah, that makes sense to me. I don't handle malpractice cases, and boy, those just are such a challenge to me. You know, suing a doctor, suing a nurse, people who are providing healthcare, trying to help. And then how do you overcome those things? Because certainly there are mistakes, medical mistakes, for which injured people deserve compensation. So how do you deal with that? And I think this is a great way to think about that. Say we're not in an age anymore, 100 years ago, maybe 50 years ago, we say, oh, just trust the doctor, whatever the doctor decides. No, we're in a time when you as a patient, right, especially with Dr. Google now, right? But you as a patient are more educated, and you deserve an explanation. And good doctors, I know I bring to my doctor all kinds of, I've read this study and this study, what do you think? And she's patient with me, and I'm her patient, but no, she's patient with me. And we'll say, well, sometimes this is great. She'll say, I've not read that, I will. A great lesson for lawyers and doctors to be able to say, I don't know when you don't know something. And many times she'll say, well, I agree with that or disagree with that, and here's why, or here, take a look at these studies, and here's what I recommend. But that is an expectation of mine, that my doctor will meet me, not in a condescending way, but explain to me and give me risks and rewards, pros and cons. And it's certainly reasonable to think that jurors and a jury would get that same explanation. So I think talking about it in that way makes sense and empowers the jury. Let's take a pause and take a deep breath together as we go into this Friday, into this weekend, and just be grateful to be alive. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world, reduce suffering in our lives, the lives of our clients, the lives of everybody we touch. May the work we do help repair the world. May the work that we do exemplify law at its highest ideals of bringing honor and truth to the world. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our clients' causes. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just listen to the sounds. Let them wash over you and remind you it's Friday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.